Are you wondering which train booking service is better? Today we're comparing Trainpal and TrainLine to help you decide. Both Trainpal and TrainLine aim to make train travel easier. They allow you to search for train times, book tickets, and find the best deals, but they each have their unique features. Let's start with Trainpal. This service is known for its focus on saving you money. Trainpal offers discounts and special deals. It also has a user friendly app that helps you plan your journey. You can easily compare prices and choose the best options for your trip. Now, let's look at Trainline. Trainline has been around for a while and is very popular. It covers a wide range of train operators. This means you can find many options for your journey. Trainline also provides real-time updates about train schedules and delays. This can be really helpful when you're on the go. So, what are the key differences? First, TrainPal is more focused on discounts. If saving money is your priority, it might be the better choice. On the other hand, Trainline offers a broader selection of trains and real-time information. If you want more choices and updates, Trainline is the way to go. When it comes to features, both apps are easy to use. TrainPal shines with its money-saving deals, while Trainline excels with its extensive network and updates. Pricing is also an important factor. TrainPal often has lower prices due to its discounts. Trendline's prices can vary, but it's still competitive. In the end, if you are looking to save some cash, choose TrainPal. If you prefer more options and real-time information, Trendline is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.